Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're gonna go install this AUTO-VOX backup camera for this Lexus GX 470 V8. So as you can see right now, there's no backup camera, so every time when the customer is backing up, it is pretty hard to see. So let's go and then remove those two screws for the license plate, and then we're gonna mount it on the backup camera bracket. Alright, so let's go and then do this. So I'm going to remove these two screws, the Phillips screws. Oh shit. And I'm gonna take out the bracket and then mount it on there. So this is the AUTO-VOX solar wireless digital reversing system that I did unbox last time. Got this 5-inch monitor, and we're gonna mount this one onto the license plate onto here. Okay. So just like that. Make sure you match those two holes on the top, and then slide the license plate in. So you'll be sliding the license plate in, and make sure you match those holes on the top. Okay, make sure the holes go through it. And we're gonna mount it on the car right now. Alright, so we're gonna screw back in now. And then we're gonna remove this screen protector for the lens. And now we're gonna go test it out. You could just tilt it lower, okay? Depends on your angle. So we're gonna go and then to the front and look at the monitor and try to adjust it. Alright, so we're inside the car right now. I'm going to plug this secret adapter in there, and then we're going to connect this to the monitor. Okay, so I'm going to untie this wire, and I'm also going to mount this monitor into the bracket. I already installed the stubby antenna already. Let's go and then try to connect this. You need to rotate it until it's fit in there, because only fit one direction. There you go. Okay. Now I'm going to take out this rubber band. Gonna open this up, and then plug it in. And I'm going to leave this USB open here so I could plug in the phone charger or whatever device you want to plug into the USB outlet here. So I'm going to put it on here for now, since I'm going to do a real quick test before I mount it. I'm going to turn on the car. So there you go. You can see the reverse camera right now. I can see the person walking. Oh, I'm going to take out the sticker first. I'm going to take out the screen protector. Let me mount it before it falls down. Alright, so I found a place to mount it right here. Instead of mounting on the windshield, might be blocking some view, so I just decided to mount it over here. So you can see it very clearly. This is daytime, and then the sun is pretty bright right now. And then I run the wire, goes in there, and then here's the wire. And then will not block all the heated seat control and everything. Okay. Yeah, so that's a quick video on how to install this. It's only take about a few minutes to install. So I forgot to show you guys earlier. This is where I mount the backup switch. Okay. Because every time we turn on the key, the monitor automatically comes on. And then I mount the switch where the gap is opening in the front. So later on, when the battery is dead, you can just easy to pry this out and then change the battery later on. Okay. So if you want to have a monitor to be on, press this switch, or press the one on the side, up and down. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.